Look at this excellent performance of our shortwave infrared camera in penetration. Now we are going to package your shortwave infrared camera. Step 1. Place ESD foam at the bottom of the box to prevent collision. Step 2. Pack the shortwave infrared camera with a clear PP glass bag to avoid being scratched. Step 3. Gently put the camera in and cover the foam on the top. Follow the steps above and make sure the anti-collision foam has been covered before putting the products in. Place the supplied accessories one by one to make sure all of them are in the box. Then cover the foam pad and close the box to finish packaging. Arrange the 2 packages neatly into the large box. And fill the gaps with anti-collision foam and other cables. Finish the last step by covering the foam and closing the large box. Now, your package is ready to go.